This is my video of discussing the HIV. HIV is a virus that attacks the body's immune system, specifically targeting CD4 plus T cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. How it weakens the immune system? By destroying or impairing CD4 plus T cells, HIV weakens the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Progression to AIDS. Without treatment, HIV can progress to AIDS, the most advanced stage of HIV infection where the immune system is severely weakened. How HIV is transmitted. Body fluids. HIV is transmitted through contact with certain bodily fluids of an infected person, including blood, semen, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. Common routes of transmissions. First, sexual contact. Unprotected sexual intercourse. Next, sharing needles. Sharing needles, syringes, or other drug injection equipment. The last, mother to child. HIV can be transmitted from a mother to her child during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Symptoms of HIV infection. Ito po, tatlong type po ng sintomas ng HIV infection. Una po is initial symptoms. Many people experience flu-like symptoms within 2 to 4 weeks after infection, which may last for a few days or several weeks. The next is asymptomatic period. Some people may not experience any symptoms for years, making it difficult to know if they have HIV. The last po is importance of testing. The only way to know if you have HIV is to get tested. 5 ways to prevent the HIV. Number 1. Condoms. Using condoms correctly and consistently during sexual activity can significantly reduce the risk of HIV transmissions. Next, PrEP or pre-exposure prophylaxis. PrEP is a medication that can prevent HIV infection when taken daily by people who are at high risk of HIV exposure. Next, PAP or post-exposure prophylaxis. PAP is a medication that can prevent HIV infection when taken after a potential exposure to HIV. Next, testing and treatment. Early diagnosis and treatment with antiretroviral therapy or ART can help people with HIV live long, healthy lives and prevent HIV transmission. And the last is avoid sharing needles. Never share needles, syringes, or other drug injection equipment. Treatment of HIV. Antiretroviral therapy or ART. ART is a combination of HIV medicines that reduce the amount of HIV in the blood. Benefits of ART. ART can help people with HIV live long, healthy lives, and prevent HIV transmissions. The last is undetectable viral load. With ART, people with HIV can achieve an undetectable viral load, meaning that the virus is present at such low levels that it cannot be transmitted to others. What are the main causes of HIV? HIV is caused by a virus. It can spread through sexual contact, shooting of illicit drugs, or use of shared needles and contact with infected blood. It can also spread from parent to child during rather, childbirth or breastfeeding. HIV destroys white blood cells called CD4 T cells. How HIV affects a person's life reflection. Living with HIV can increase the likelihood of stress, anxiety, and depression. In addition, some opportunistic infections can affect the nervous system, resulting in changes in behavior and thinking. Anyone concerned about their mental or emotional health should contact a healthcare professional. How the HIV did start. HIV is thought to have occurred after people ate chimps that were carrying the simian immunodeficiency virus or SIV. HIV is a type of lentivirus, which means it attacks the immune system. SIV attacks the immune systems of monkeys and apes in a very similar way. What is HIV interpretation? Positive means that you have HIV infection. Your provider will discuss treatment and refer you to a specialist for HIV care. Negative means either you do not have HIV or you got it so recently that your body has not had time to make enough antibodies to be detected by the test. So, we have the people who's most at risk. First, people with a current or previous partner with HIV. Next, people with a current or previous partner who is from an area with high HIV rates. Next, people who are from an area with high HIV rates. Next, people who engage in chemsex, using drugs to help or enhance sex. Next, men who have unprotected sex with men. The next, women who have unprotected sex with men who have sex with men. Next, people who inject drugs and share equipment. Next, the people who have unprotected sex with somebody who has injected drugs and shared equipment. Next, people who share sex toys with someone infected with HIV. Next, people with a history of sexually transmitted infections, hepatitis B or hepatitis C. Next, people who have had multiple sexual partners. Next, people who have been raped. Next, people who have received a blood transfusion rather, or other risk-prone procedures in countries that do not have strong screening for HIV. Next, healthcare workers who could accidentally prick themselves with an infected needle, but this risk is extremely low. The last, babies born from a parent with untreated HIV. How HIV infects the body. HIV infects the immune system, causing progressive damage and eventually making it unable to fight off infections. The virus attaches itself to immune system cells called CD4 lymphocyte cells, which protect the body against various bacteria, viruses, and other germs. Once attached, it enters the CD4 cells and uses it to make thousands of copies of itself. These copies then leave the CD4 cells, killing them in the process. This process continues until eventually the number of CD4 cells, also called your CD4 count, drops so low that your immune system stops working. This process may take up to 10 years, during which time you'll feel and appear well.